YouTube, it's Alicia here. None other. I am here to show you one of my favorite products that I like to use. Not often, but it's anti-breakage strengthening cream, and it's for if a growth cream. It strengthens, restores, and repairs your hair. And this is the time I start using this product. I have certain times when I use certain products, and this is the time when I start using this particular product to start back putting a little bit more strength. Like I said, more strength, restore, and repair, because this is the time where I need to start using this particular product, because I know after October, the end of October, starting in November, this is the time I start getting my perms back. I have perms put back in my hair. Now, this product I like because, as you see, it does give me a little bit of a curl. You can use it any kind of way, but I would recommend this for curly hair people. Like I always say, with my hair type, I'm a 3, let me say this correctly, a 3C for a hair type and things. So if you're around my hair type, this is what you can be using and stuff. But I like to use this particular product after I get through washing my hair after a workout, because this is something I like using, and won't have to use it. This can be a product I can go 3 days with this product in my hair, and you putting it in and the instructions does says 3 days. Yep. We can go 3 days before redoing this again. This is the Mega Growth Anti-Strengthening Mega Growth Cream. Oh my god, this is my favorite cream. This also in this brand, they do have they have a lot. It's 2 more. They do have a deep conditioner in this cream, but I will try to list all the Mega Grow this particular brand, all the products that's associated with this one, because I have used them all, and I will come back at a later date and because I've been having this one for a couple of months. Let's just say a couple of months, but I actually like this one. You can apply at night or in the day, so yeah. So this works very good, and it's very soft. And if you see that snapback on my hair, it gives a good snapback, and I love this product right here. So I wanted to come and show you that particular product, because that product is a real pretty good product. Until then, y'all, don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.